Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the drain tube extension in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. Unthread the screw securing the drain tube extension to the cabinet. You can now pull the old extension free of the grommet to remove. Install the new drain tube extension by inserting the end with the ridge into the grommet. Then thread the screw. Reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.